Welcome back to the Mexican food channel. What to make today? Oh snap, I almost forgot about my pineapple. I think I let it sit too long. No worries, it's still good. Let's make a agua de piña. Go ahead and cut off the top like this. And also let's cut off the sides. We only need half of the pineapple for this recipe. You see those little black spots? We don't want those in our water. Make sure to cut them off like this. In order for this pineapple water to be delicious, we're gonna have to cut it into very small pieces. Oh yeah, and take off the core. We don't need it. Go ahead and cut your pineapple into the smallest pieces possible. I like doing mine like this. These are kind of slippery, so make sure you don't cut yourself. Let's make nice little slices. And now let's cut it across into little cubes. I already had done a pineapple water video, but it came out a little cracked, so I decided to do it again. Shoo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Alright, that's a lot of cutting, so let's speed it up. I find it easier to do it like this, so put them into a small bowl. Don't pay no mind to my hairy ass arms. Go ahead and put it all in there. Next, we're gonna use this thing, the whatchamacallit. We usually use it for the frijoles, but we're gonna use it for this. It works perfectly. Go ahead and pulverize the pineapple. We want all the juices to come out. This is the most important part to do, so make sure you do it thoroughly. When you're done, it's gonna look like this. We're gonna put this in a pitcher, but we're gonna need a bunch of ice. Add ice to the pitcher. Remember, this is perfect for summertime. So, are you subscribed already? If you're not, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Add a little more ice. About half of the pitcher would do. Now pour in your pulverized pineapple. Oh, pretend I'm not dropping any. We're gonna add some sugar to this, and the sugar is optional, but this is how much I add. It should be about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup. But if you want to add more, that's up to you. Fill the pitcher with water. Let's give it a stir. Alright, it's taste test time. Go get you a cup, I'll serve it. This is perfect to quench your thirst during the summer. Y pa' dentro. ¡Qué rico! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay hydrated this summer. Well, that's it, guys.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!